Thanks for watching BDI Tech. Click the subscribe button, then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. All videos on this channel are in two languages, English and Urdu Hindi. Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here and welcome to this installation guide and review video for the Huda tempered glass for iPhone X. Let's open up the packet and get the job done. Well, thankfully Huda provides you all the tools you need to get the job done. Dust remover with stickers, microfiber cloth, tempered glass, and the surface for the iPhone during installation. As for the screen protector installation can be tricky to avoid bubbles to make sure it's crystal clear and perfectly guard the display. But before cleaning can commence, you need to turn your attention to the alignment of the screen protector. Most importantly, we need to make sure the alignment of the screen. You can do so by positioning the protector on the top with the help of these alignment stickers. Make sure you will start the alignment from the top. Turn the display off during the protector alignment. First, clean the screen properly with microfiber cloth, then use dust remover stickers to remove any remaining dust. Now your screen is fully cleaned and you will begin removing the film protector. And slowly place the protector, making sure that it's properly aligned. When happy, firmly press down in the center and leave for around 30 seconds. Next, you will then want to press firmly around the edges of the protector to ensure firm connection and push out any remaining bubbles. With that complete, you can then carefully remove the guide stickers. Once the protector applied, you will then see a fantastic gorgeous display. It doesn't interfere with clarity or responsiveness, allows you to fully enjoy all the new features of your iPhone X. You can easily play games with pinpoint accuracy and the protector fits around the screen perfectly. Even by putting casing on your phone, the protector edges looks great. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.